Hi guys! In this video, we are going to put OSB on our garage roof, and on top of the OSB, we are going to put the underlayment on our roof so the trusses and OSB won't get wet. We are also going to put OSB around our garage walls to make them stronger, and we are going to put house wrap around or on the garage walls so that they also don't get wet. First, we are putting OSB on top of the roof. We have gotten one side of the roof covered in OSB. We took one sheet of OSB and are attaching it to the wall to give it diagonal stiffness so that the wall will stay vertical when we add more OSB to the roof, making it heavier. My parents have finished another side of the roof and now are working on the last side. This is how the roof looks like. My parents finished putting the OSB on the whole garage roof and on the entrance roof. Then they put a drip edge around the roof so that they can put on the underlayment. We got our underlayment up on our garage roof. It was perfect timing because it rained right after and no water got into the garage. Now we are putting OSB around our garage walls. My dad is using the staple gun to attach the OSB. We are using 2-inch staples like it tells us in the construction code. For all of the pieces of OSB that are hanging off the wall, my dad uses the rotor to make a very straight cut. We have gotten all of the OSB around the garage, and now we are going to put it up around our entrance. And now we are done putting all of the OSB up. We are going to put the house wrap around the garage now, just like we did around our house. We are going to use the same technique where we hook it up to the top of the OSB, and we keep rolling it out and nailing it in place as we go. The house wrap is a membrane. It lets water vapor go out, but it does not let any water come in through it. My parents have finished doing the house wrap around a whole wall of the garage. My dad is gonna refill the stapler, and then they are going to get back to work. And that's another wall covered with house wrap. My dad is cutting the window using a knife and feeling where the window is so he knows where to cut. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, write in the comments. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!